Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can create zoom in and zoom out effect in CapCut PC. So I have been added one image and a track, and to make the zoom in and zoom out, for instance I'm going to copy paste the clip and I'm just going to copy paste again some part. So upper on, you can select the first clip and go to animation and select in animation. So you can select the zoom out, just download it, and just for duration and full duration, and apply to third and third and the fifth clip. Right. So for the second and fourth and sixth clip, you can add the out animation and then select the zoom in. So the duration and the full duration. You can see for the final result. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.